Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Realme 9. Start by going into Play Store on both smartphones and clicking on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. After that, just open it. Now you need to choose from this screen over here, I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android. I accept, then confirm, continue, allow. Now select receive on Realme and send on an Android. After that, you need to click on all of those type of dots and select send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo. Just send and tap on got it. Over here on Realme, choose no thanks and close this window. Now we have two ways to connect. We can input this key here and then connect our smartphones by choosing receive, but we can also tap on this scanning icon over here, select while using the app or only this time, and point our device's camera at the goat. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!